Most of you know that Botox is removing wrinkles on the forehead and on the mouth for women. But what if I told you the same science used to relax your face is now being used to relax the very thing holding your erection back? I'm seeing a massive shift in my clinic where men are moving away from daily ED pills and moving towards Botox, Bocox, or Botox for the penis. Today, I'm explaining why this is becoming the go-to for men who want to set it and forget it solution for ED. Hello there, I'm Dr. Truong. I'm a sexual health medical doctor and I've treated over 7,000 men. So, to my returning viewers, you know I talk constantly about blood flow, but here's the secret. You can get all the nitric oxide in the world, but if your penis smooth muscle are too tight or stressed to relax, the blood cannot go in. Essentially, if your penis is tight, either by scar tissue or that you're anxious or you're stressed, it cannot be filled with blood. Okay? So normally your penis should be like a sponge. It should be able to absorb in that water or the blood and fill up. But if you're tight, then it's almost like a shrunken. Okay, the sponge is shrunk. So think of it like a garden hose. If someone is stepping on the hose, increasing the water pressure, like taking ED med, only does so much. You have to remove the foot from the hose, and Botox is that foot remover. It inhibits the release of a chemical called norepinephrine that you release, which is the stress chemical that keeps your blood vessel constricted. So it's essentially preventing the stress chemical from being released in your penis, allowing the penis to relax. So my recommendation, maybe shockwave or maybe even the P-shot, those are incredible for building blood vessel. And that is part of my Get Heart system. But I want you to talk about another component of the Get Heart system, that is Botox. There's something different. It increases the blood vessel you already have. So imagine a pill-free life, unlike Viagra, which you have to time perfectly with a meal. Botox works 24/7 in relaxing the penis, is ready to rock and roll and fill with blood anytime. And once you get a Botox injection, it can last between 6 to 9 months if you do it with the P-shot, which is using your own blood to create more blood vessels in the penis. So no more waiting for the pill to kick in. And for refractory ED, if you're a man who found the Cialis stop working, it's often because your stress or a nervous system or sympathetic nervous system is stuck in overdrive. And Botox totally reset that. How good is that? It totally just takes the stress out of your penis. Where can you get the penis pump? You can get the penis pump at ednomore.com or check the link down below this video to get the penis pump so you can start exercising your penis again. Remember, you are only one pump away. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. I just moved, So all my models are packed somewhere and I can't find it, or else I would use a penis model right now, right? So I know what you're thinking. An injection there, oh, it's painful, right? Come on, guys, let's be real. I use a very strong numbing medication and I also block the nerve as well. So most of my patient tells me it's like maybe a 1 out of 10 pain, and basically just a small pinch. You will not feel anything. We injected Botox into the shaft of the penis, which is the corpus cavernosus, and it takes about 2 weeks to fully kick in, sometimes as early as 5 days. But some people feel it about 5 days, some people feel it about 2 weeks. But once it does, the spontaneity of your sex life return. Now, what the first thing we notice for men is that your penis seems to look a little bit larger at rest. And that seems to appear at around 5 days. And that most men are noticing morning wood in about 2 weeks as well, too. So is it right for everyone? Well, most. If you have severe venous leak or very advanced diabetes, we may need to look at the whole entire Get Hard system, the 6-system protocol, but it can be done in severe ED cases, but we need to do the whole treatment with the P-shot, which is your own stem cell, Botox, and shockwave. It may have to do it several times. But for the man who is tired of the side effects of the headaches of the ED medicine and who just had ED within about 5 years or so, all you need is just the Botox alone, and it is a game changer. So if you want to see if you're a candidate, check the link in the description or go to Renew with Dr. Ann or click the link below here to schedule a call to see if this is the right fit for you. We focus on restoring function, not just masking symptoms. If this was helpful, hit that subscribe button. We have a lot more non-followers watching the video than followers. I would love for you to become a follower, dedicated to helping you reclaim your confidence without surgery, because every man deserves to have a fulfilling sex life. It is your calling. That's what you were wired to do. So having said that, check out the link below and see if Botox is right for you. I'm Dr. Ann Truong. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself. It's exhausting, but here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. Just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your terms. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.